This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use WordPress like a pro. First, let's get your foundation right. Choosing a reliable hosting provider is crucial. Look for one offering at least 99.9% uptime and excellent customer support. Next, install WordPress, often a simple one-click process. Finally, select a lightweight, responsive theme to ensure your site loads quickly and looks great on all devices, setting the stage for a professional online presence. To truly use WordPress like a pro, essential plugins are key. Install a robust security plugin, like WordFence, to protect against common threats. Boost your site's speed with a caching plugin, such as WP Supercache, which can reduce load times by several seconds. For search engine visibility, an SEO plugin like Yoast SEO is indispensable. Remember to set up automated off-site backups, ensuring your hard work is always safe and recoverable. Creating compelling content is at the heart of a professional WordPress site. Focus on high-quality, engaging articles with clear headings and short paragraphs for readability. Optimize all your images, aiming for file sizes under 100 kilobytes to maintain fast loading speeds. Strategically use internal and external links to enhance both SEO and user navigation. Don't forget to regularly update your older content, keeping it fresh and relevant for your audience. Maintaining peak performance is vital for a professional WordPress site. Regularly monitor your site speed with tools like Google Page Speed Insights, aiming for scores above 90 on mobile and desktop. Always keep your WordPress core, themes, and plugins updated to their latest versions for security and functionality. Periodically clean your database to remove old revisions and spam. Consider implementing a content delivery network, or CDN, to deliver your content quickly to users worldwide.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.